Hello, this is a report, Pattern of the Stars, made by the boy group. Me, Sancho, Franco, and Kel. Now let's start.
During ancient times, people made stories about the patterns of the stars in the sky. They are called constellations. According to the IAU, or also known as International Astronomical Union, they are clusters of stars that may be part of an official constellation. Star clusters are called asterisms.
Orion, the mighty hunter, is one of the most brightest constellations and most well-known constellations. 12 zodiacs. The 12 zodiacs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Constellations are landmarks of the sky. Without them, the billions of stars in the night sky and starry sky will be viewed as a random collection.
Hello, popular constellations known as Ursa Major, or the Great Bear. Sorry for the wrong spelling. Is the third largest constellations of the enormous hemisphere. It has a little companion called the Ursa Minor, but it's also one of the most oldest and widely recognized constellations. A part of Ursa Major is an asteroid called the Big Dipper, which consists of seven bright stars, two of which are called the pointers. They point to the polarized Ursa Major. Ursa Major is a circumpolar constellation. Sorry if I said it wrong.
Hydra, also called the Water Monster or SS, is a long, slender and winding constellation. It is also the longest and largest constellation. Hydra is visible during the northern hemisphere in winter and spring. Claudius Ptolemy was considered to be the most influential Greek astronomer and the geographer of his time. His major astronomical work, Almagest, is the only surviving comprehensive ancient article on astronomy.
Thank you for that wonderful explanation. Okay, in the southern hemisphere is the crux or the Southern Cross. It is the smallest among the 88 recognized constellations, but also the brightest because of its two stars, called Atrix, orbiting around each other. Sea explorers use it as a guide because it points to the south celestial pole. Now, for the quiz, number 1 to 12. Name the 12 zodiac constellations. Number 13. Who discovered the constellations? The name starts with P. Number 14. Who created Almagest? It starts with the letter P also. Number 15. What is the second name of the Hydra? Hint, it is the shortened word for SS. Complete the word. Southern Cele Blanc. Complete the word again. C blank. High blank. Complete the word. Sa blank. Complete the word one last time. Air blank. And that is for our report. Thank you for listening. And we hope that you all learned something new today. Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Goodbye.